We are now at the last 2-minute mark. Tatlo po ang lamang ng Polangui kontra Daraga. Prinsipe.
Shot clock violation.
Nabutan sila ng shot clock violation.
Okay.
1 minute and 47 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. 77-74. This is the championship battle between, again, Daraga and Polangui. JJ Caspe. They have to make this one out. Good find there. And
Sorry miss for Renzo Lentero. Ang ganda nung cut niya doon.
ganda rin yung sana yung tira niya. Hindi nga lang tumbok ang tamang angulo because of siguro the defense na nandoon. Now the RoboCop to De La Cruz. De La Cruz penetrates. Yes! Aspe now with the ball. Being hounded by Principe. And the ball will go to Team Polangui. Good hustle on the part of the guy with this red hair. Daryl the Principe.
You are not going to wear a hair like that if you are not going to play big in the finals.
Talagang sabi nga natin may statement yan. And right now, Daraga is in big problem. Because lumalamang na po ang Polangui sa kanila. And the clock is winding down. Again, ito po ang makasaysayang championship game.
Partner, right now, 1 minute and 4 seconds. If you are Team Daraga, you just have to need to get a stop from this possession and to score a point. You don't need right now a 3-point shot. Just go strong to the hole, and again, umasa ka na makakuha ka ng another stop.
That's what they need. Pero meron na rin sana silang opportunity kanina with that one from Renzo Lentero, but just couldn't find the right angle nga. And hopefully, sa pagbabalik itong ating action, makuha na nila ang tamang angulo at makapuntos. We're talking about Team Daraga, but the possession now will be for Polangui. 1 minute, 4 seconds remaining, 14 to shoot for Team Polangui. Ano ang kanilang gagawin sa play na to? We will see. Romero inbounding to Gonzalez, to Justin De La Cruz, being hounded by Chope. De La Cruz, dumire-diretso, binigay kay Romero, dishing it out to Mondragon, throwing a 3-point shot. Medyo kapusong tira. Ito na mga Daraga. Chope! And that one was brought to you by Willie and Sons.
This is a 3-point ball game.
Yes, it's just a 3-point game. 39 seconds. Romero giving it to Hafer Mondragon with 2 guys in front of him. Gonzalez to Romero. Romero umatake, nahirapan doon, pero nakabalik sa kanya bola. 24-second shot clock violation.
20 seconds left in our clock, so shot clock will be off. But Team Daraga will be calling for a timeout. 76-79, a 3-point ball game with 20 seconds remaining sa ating fourth quarter. If they're going to opt to inbound the ball from the baseline, definitely shot clock will be off. But if they're going to inbound the ball from the sideline, 14 seconds pa, may 6 seconds pang matitira dito sa ating laban. But right now, if you are Team Daraga, the question, are you going to strong to the hole and try to fish a foul and score from the free throw line? Or you can go for the 3-point shot?
We will see kung ano ang desisyon nitong ating we have a 15.1K viewers sa ating live feed sa Facebook.
Grabe. Oh, just imagine how many viewers or live audience we have here. And same goes sa aming online TV. Oh my God.
Can anybody determine kung ilan ang capacity nitong Albay Astrodome?
But right now, this is an important possession for the Team Daraga if they wanna win for the championship. But if you are Team Polangui, one more stop, and you're going to take home the bacon.
What a bacon. And now, Daraga will have a chance.
Same inbound play. Expect Piece will be popping out to the corner. I'm not wrong.
Piece there. Aspe.
Big shot!
Big shot!
What a shot!
What a shot!
Oh
What
my
a
God!
shot!
But this is not yet finished. 11 seconds.
Yes, 11 seconds we have.
Anything can happen. Oh my God!
Wow!
Woo!
Masasabi ba nating swerte na lang yun? Or talagang it's destined?
I'm
Or
so
it
pumped
is
up.
because of the talent of this guy, Russell Dazzle Paul Aspe.
All of this crowd deserves what is happening in this small game together with those live audience, online viewers natin. Woo!
Yes, indeed. Hindi po sayang ang oras na ibinigay nyo.
But right now, if you are Team Daraga, you don't have time to celebrate right now. You have to get a one more stop. Kasi ang laban ngayon dito for Team Polangui, it's either you're going to go for that overtime or you're going to win.
So
Kailangan i-take mo ang last shot.
will there be an extension of this championship matchup?
If you're going to ask me if I want an extension, definitely yes.
Hindi na ba wala tayo ng boses? Back to the ball game at 11.49. It's going to be Polangui's ball.
Chasing victory, chasing greatness. Who will be the one who will chase that two words?
Yes, victory and greatness.
Another milestone, 16,000. Pero abantayin natin this last possession, maybe the last possession of our ball game with Gonzalez inbounding the ball.
We will see. Again, the final 11 seconds in regulation. Mondragon. With Silada, back to the ball game now. Silada, trying to hit the triple! Yes!
What a shot!
Yes! What a shot! By Silada! Adrian Silada, at nakuha pa nila yung bola! We have a champion!
We have a champion! What a shot!
Grabe!
By Adrian Silada! Oh my God! Let's take a look at that replay. The rainbow from Adrian Silada, nothing but the bottom of the net.
A deja vu! Ginawa na niya yan dati. And now, for the big shot, for the championship shot of his life.
What a ball game we had witnessed. Oh my God, this is not just about the number of viewers.
Both teams talagang nag-step up, nag-level up dito sa championship match natin. We are commending Team Daraga in their efforts, lalong-lalo na si Russell Dazzle Aspe with that big shot also.
If we're going to take a look at our replay in that last shot of Adrian Silada, makikita natin na hindi na nakahabol si Jay Gadon on that switch. Probably they will be going for that switch. Pero that is good screen of RoboCup, leaving Adrian Silada wide open to hit that three-point shot, the ballooning rainbow shot.
What a big shot from that big injury sana kanina na nakita natin after that collision with Jay Gadon.
Oh my
Oh
God,
my.
what a ball game.
Only here sa AKO Bicol Cup. Ako, talagang hirap na akong huminga at this point in time. Grabe! Woo! And ito po ang ating final score. Polangui winning in our first ever AKO Bicol Cup competition with a score of 82. At Daraga naman merong 79.